Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shiro and today I'm going to show you how to make this very simple yet very delicious meal. I ate this, it's called Githeri. It's I won't say Kenyan because it's from a specific tribe. So I come from the tribe of Agikoyo in Kenya and it's our traditional meal. I ate this meal in high school for 4 straight years. I was in boarding school. I didn't like it back then because obviously with food it's how you cook it. So but now with this recipe I can eat it, and I did a twist on it. Instead of just the normal beans, I'm doing black beans. I know again there's a whole debate with Kenyans whether they like black beans or not. I like black beans. So anyways, I'm going to show you quickly how to do. I have all my things prepped up so that we can make this recipe sweet and short. So short and sweet. So I have my onions here chopped up and my garlic, and to that I'm going to add a little bit of oil to fry that, and I'm going to let it cook until it's brown, and I'll see you then.
We have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise.
As you can see, my onions are brown. So I have my chopped vegetables here that I'm going to add. I chopped my carrots with this vegetable slicer. If you've been watching my videos, I'm sure you know by now I really love this slicer because it helps me achieve the smallest of sizes. If you can find one in your local supermarket, it's going to do you such a big favor. It's such a nice tool. So anyways, I chopped my carrots. I really didn't want to grate them because otherwise when you grate them, they get lost in the sauce. So I just wanted to slice but then into small pieces. So here I have my carrots. I'm going to add those because they take longer to cook, and then let them simmer for a little bit before I can add the rest of the vegetables. After my carrots rolled, I'm going to add more of my vegetables. I have one zucchini here, one red pepper, and one green pepper. So I'm gonna add them. I'm gonna leave them for like 3 minutes to let them cook, and then I'll be back. So, as you can see, my vegetables are really beautiful in the pot, and I'm going to take into adding. I have my black beans here. They're boiled black beans, so I'm gonna add that. Stir. Oh, grab the color. And I have my corn, boiled corn too. I'm using white corn. I grew up knowing this is just the corn that there is, but I've learned the more I've interacted with human beings, and and especially my boyfriend here, he just told me he has never seen corn like this one, so he knows the sweet yellow corn. So anyway, I'm using white corn. This is what I'm used to, and I'm gonna turn. I'm going to spice my githeri, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin. Ooh, cumin is just nice, and a tablespoon of mixed spice. And it smells amazing already. I'm going to add a few drops of tomato paste. And salt. I'm going to go with a tablespoon to start with.
You wanna change, but lately things have been the same. And it's my heart, your whole.
So I'm also going to add beef broth. Usually you can just add water, but I have broth in the fridge, so I just want to add a little bit of it. Ooh, it was so fatty, you can tell. going to add while stirring, because I really don't want to have gravy. I just want to have it a little bit wet, not have my githeri floating in the tea, in the casserole. So I'll add those. I'll let that simmer for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. So that's all for this recipe. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you try it. This is the typical Kenyan high school recipe. Okay, minus all the vegetables and spices, but it's really nice. I'm going to serve it with avocado. Please like my video, share and subscribe to my channel for more recipes, and I'll see you in the next one.